Assalamualaikum, Loda Tem, Abu Dhabi Mall Kimungu, on Gazi television na tasamu festa programuna nishirko inshallah. الدوم سفر رام ستارت أخطر دري مرزة
Look at the beautiful people, and you look at my hand. Alright? I'm gonna take off your jacket, put it on the table, and I'm gonna take it when we're done. Alright? Straight like that, look at the people. 1, 2, 3. Look at the people. Blow my hand. وتلمع وهي تقول تميم تميم. Stay next to me. Coin. Everyone watch the coin and watch Tamim. I'm gonna put the first coin in the bucket. Tamim, stand up straight. Look at the people. I 2 coins, and you're hiding more coins. Yeah, you have to make sure, like over here, over here. Yeah. Tell me 3 coins. There's more coins. Wait. Move your right feet. Move your left feet. And then I'm going down there. Stand up straight. I'm gonna put the 3rd coin.
ये तो मुझे वक्तों की मदद की
Look at the people touching the nose. Is there a coin? Yes, sir. Look at that. Everyone look at the stepping door. 1, 2, go.
ये रश्म इस्तेमाल करो दादा गाजी टेलीविजन ना अबू धाबी मॉल पूरा टाइम the original Rivali shops से
Quick levels for Tamim, everyone! Thank you. Beautiful.